Welcome to hisaab.pk. This is a continuation from our previous video on import purchase procedure. Now in the chart of account section, select the import purchase control account and in the amounts column, enter the amount besides the purchase order amount. Let's assume in this case, the amount is 5 lakh rupees and click on add button. Now press the enter invoice button and the liability has been entered against the local supplier. You can view the double entries by clicking on the view the GL journal entries. Now once the liabilities have been set up, the next step is by making payments by clicking on the purchases tab and by clicking on the payments to suppliers tab. The liability to our local supplier, in this case Z Clearing and Forwarding Agent, is 5 lakhs. Click on all and enter the payment. And the payment has been made successfully. Now similarly, we are going to make payment to our foreign supplier by clicking on enter other payment. By going on the purchases module and by clicking on the payment to suppliers tab. Select the relevant supplier and in today's day, the amount that will be deducted from our bank will be in PKR. Let's assume the exchange rate is still 112, so the amount will be this much. And click on enter payment. Now both the payments have been made successfully. You can view the double entries by clicking on the GL journal entries tab. Now the final step is by using the purchases, by going on the purchases module and by clicking on the import purchase tab. Now you can use this tab to allocate the expenses. In the all accounts drop down list, select the import purchase control account and enter the details in the relevant columns as required and click on the add button. You can also decide which cost will be allocated to the inventory cost control account and which cost will be allocated to their different expenses head. In order to view this setting, click on the setup tab Now click on the System and General GL Setup tab. Click on the Import GL tab, and now in this section you can decide which cost will be added to the unit cost section. In this case, the lending amount is let's say 1%, and we have selected it to be don't add to unit cost. So you can make changes in this section as per your requirements. Now the final step is by pressing the enter invoice button, and the payments have been allocated successfully. In order to view a complete report on import, you can go on the purchases module and in the report section view the import register. Select the relevant supplier and click on the display import register. Thank you for watching.